Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday direction video. We'll be watching a video today and tomorrow to kind of wrap up the week. It's on Alexander Hamilton, one of the major players in Washington's cabinet, one of the major players during this time period. So we're going to watch a little video on him. The video is 2 days long, so excuse me. So the video, it'll be worth 20 points, 2 days. Today we're watching it. Tomorrow we're watching it. You have the video guide here. It breaks it down by chapter. As you can see, there is 22 questions total, but you don't have to answer all 22. So pay attention here because this is how we're going to break it down. For chapter 1, you can pick which one you want to answer. So every time there's 2, you only have to do 1. So pick one or 2. Just when you're going to have to obviously write these out in a separate Google Doc or on a piece of paper. So just label which question you're answering, 1 or 2. So just put 1 or 2 there. For chapter 2, you have to do 2 of the 3. So pick 2. For chapter 3, again, since there's only 2 of them, just pick 1. For chapter 4, pick 2 that you want to answer. And these are a little more than a one-word answer. These should be like a sentence or 2. Okay, if it's asking you multiple questions, you should have multiple answers or multiple sentences in your answer. So for chapter 4, pick 2. For chapter 5, pick 1. For chapter 6, pick 1. For chapter 7 and 8, pick 2. And then for chapter 9, pick 1. And for chapter 10, pick 2. So that's it. If you need to rewind and jot down some of the directions, do that. Otherwise, the video will be up the whole time on the Wednesday directions. You got links here to the video, but I also just embedded the video right there. So watch the video, answer the questions. It's not due until Friday at 3, so if you need an extra day there, you can do that, but it should only take you today and tomorrow, and Friday should be more free day, but I figured I would just give that to you guys in case you were gone or something like that. But alright, have a good day, guys, watching the video, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.